point of contact when you call. You'll speak with either Janelle or somebody in the office. Sometimes Wayne may be in there. Janelle's our bookkeeper, and she also answers the phones, handles any service calls. So she's in the office pretty much every day other than holidays and weekends. But if you do call, you'll speak with her. She'll get your information. Some customers will call, leave their information, and then call back the next day wondering if somebody's there or want to know if we're going to call when we go out there. Typically, because we get so many calls and we get so many inspections and so many jobs that when you call, we get your paperwork, we're going to go out and measure. It may be that next day, it could be within 3 or 4 days. But bottom line is our measurer is going to have a measure sheet to go out and measure your property. Once he gets that measurement done, typically he'll call you to let you know he's going to be out there, but sometimes people don't answer. Time is money, and I know the customer needs their estimate done, so we go to that house. Unless you request that you want to be there or you don't want somebody there when you're not home, we're going to send our guy out to do the measurement. Once he does that measurement, does inspection, does visual, makes any notes of any hot areas that might need more attention, he's going to make those notes, bring those back. He will go along that with Rodger, make his recommendations. Rodger will also estimate that out with him, and they'll come up with a price together and of what's going to be needed to complete the project. From there, we get those estimates out to the sales staff and project managers, which would be myself or Jeff Frey. He's another salesman with Roofs by Rodger, and one of us will go out and deliver that proposal and go over all of the items that are going to be involved in your roof, and go over any of the details that Rodger or Doug mentioned in that estimate. So from start to finish, you're going to usually talk to somebody. They're going to get you a measure sheet. From there, you really just wait until myself or Jeff or Rodger calls you with the completed estimate, and then we set an appointment to meet with you. A lot of customers just want an emailed price. Some prefer just having a price over the phone. I mean, I like to visit with the customer, show them the product. Price is one thing, and I can give a price of anything, but unless you see what we're offering and see what we're going to give you, it doesn't really matter. I mean, yeah, a roof's a roof, but at the same time, it's not. There's different brands, there's different materials, there's different warranties, there's different type of materials for different situations. There's products that work great in one area that don't work in another. So, and then other than that, we do include in our packet with our estimate previous jobs we've done, addresses with jobs you could drive around to go look at colors to help you choose a color. Also a color chart. We also have some information on the actual material itself and information about the warranties. So these are all nice products to have with you that you can actually visually see what you're buying, rather than I've seen competitors' estimates that are literally a piece of paper that say you're getting a new roof and there's a warranty and that's it. Doesn't tell what type of roof you're getting other than maybe a brand and a shingle, but it doesn't specify the type of underlayments or all the different things that are going on your roof, which some people don't care, but most people that care about their home care about their roof. You really should care, because those are the things that are going to keep other things protected in your home.